India's regional rural banks, the pillars of rural finance, are now at a critical crossroads. On 16 May 2025, the Department of Financial Services under the Ministry of Finance issued a directive proposing that RRBs raise capital through initial public offerings. But not everyone is on board. The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association has strongly opposed this move, calling it a retrograde proposal and a backdoor entry to privatization of rural banks. According to AIRRBEA, the IPO plan is more than a financial step, it's a shift in ideology. They argue that public-owned rural banks, created to serve farmers, daily wage workers, and small rural businesses, cannot function with market-driven priorities. They believe this would shift the focus from service to profit, threaten job security and benefits for employees, undermine the social purpose for which RRBs were established. In response to structural challenges, AIRRBEA has proposed a bold alternative: the formation of a National Rural Bank of India, an apex institution to manage and regulate all 28 state-level RRBs. AIRRBEA insists that NRBI should be completely delinked from sponsor banks. Why? Because AIRRBEA says sponsor banks act both as master and competitor. This dual role creates conflict, especially when the same sponsor banks also operate branches in the same rural areas, leading to competition, not collaboration. Despite these structural issues, RRBs are performing strongly. Here are the numbers for financial year 25. Total business 12.40 lakh crore. Deposits 7.5 lakh crore. Advances 5.90 lakh crore. Net profit 7,148 crore. Profit reserves 53,000 plus crore. Gross NPAs 5.3%, the lowest in a decade. These are not the numbers of weak institutions. These are numbers that show strength, stability, and resilience. Instead of IPOs, AIRRBEA has outlined 5 key demands for the future of rural banking. No privatization of RRBs, scrap the IPO proposal. An apex body, free from sponsor bank control. Fill 30,000 plus current vacancies and 15,000 more over 3 to 4 years. Regularization of workers, especially casual and contractual employees, as seen in APGVB and CGGB. Roll back the new pension scheme and reinstate the old pension scheme. For AIRRBEA, the future of rural banking isn't about IPOs or private ownership. It's about trust, autonomy, and a system that serves the people first. Share this video and stay tuned on Canal for exclusive coverage of the RRB and everything you need to know.